A modern and stylish home is best defined by the choice of materials and exquisite details both inside and outside. This is simple yet modern home is absolutely adorable. The design is compact and economical with nothing missing. It also comes along with a fresh, bright and cozy interior. The building has 2 bedrooms and 2 washrooms. The building has an area of 97.3 square meters with an estimated construction budget of $29,190. The design comes along with all the basic essential amenities needed in a home. These are the entrance terrace which leads us into a large living room. An ideal kitchen which has a reserved space for dining. There are 2 bedrooms, a master's bedroom which is a suite and another bedroom. Finally, there are 2 washrooms, one in the master's bedroom and the other to be used by residents and visitors. Walkthrough. Living area. Walkthrough. Kitchen. Walkthrough. Dining area. Walkthrough. Master's bedroom. Walkthrough. Bedroom number 2. Thanks so much for watching and supporting this channel. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment.